Right, so we're just going to go through some health and safety bits and PPE today. So obviously very important so you can be seen around site. Get various different colours of high vis. So I'm just going to show you how to put that on. Another important part of your job is obviously gloves. These will protect your hands. Very important part. Hard hat. Obviously visual inspection every time. If you drop one of these, you do need to replace it. So just check around, making sure there's no cracks. Dust mask, very important. Making sure you're wearing these when you've got anywhere with dust around. Just a little inspection on, right on, clipped at the top. Safety goggles. Visual inspection of these, making sure there's no cracks as well. And then another one as well. Air defenders if you're in loud and noisy environments. You need to make sure you're wearing air defenders.